misses her dresses, worries about imperfections. When she looks in the mirror, I wish she'd see what I see. She don't know I don't care how straight or curly her hair. Any boy anywhere'd be happy to have her like I do. It's hard to believe that the prettiest girl in the world needs to hear somebody loves her as much at her worst as I do at her best. My wildest dreams, I'd never guessed I'd be the one holding the prettiest girl in the world. Stars down deep in her heart, there in her eyes is a spark. Every time she smiles, still knocks me off my feet. She's on some dance floor twerking.
Qué linda. Wow. Qué linda.
Let me see your bow, Abby.
Besito.
Wow.
Besito pa' papi.
Abby, you like your hair?